Hi, I'm Todd Brandon and I am delighted to show you through this gorgeous gable home at 40 Separation Street in Allenstown. Come with me and let's give you a quick tour. Somebody spent a lot of time working out the layout of this home. There's great connection between the spaces with 3 good-sized bedrooms and a lovely bathroom, but my favourite part is how this kitchen fits nicely with the deck that overlooks the wonderful backyard. Separation Street is a gorgeous 3-bedroom home set in a wonderful street with a gorgeous private backyard filled with the noises of the local birds. If we can help you own this wonderful property, give us a call. We would love to help you out.